report na suot ang full battle... Attention please! Tinatawag...
Ano meron sa bagong crazy?
Yung original pa nila. Tingnan.
Card DVR recorder. Tutulungan ka nitong ipakita ang
ang bata sa tindahan at nagsumbong sa kanyang magulang. Sa tulong ng mga pulis, nahuli ang suspect sa labas ng isang subdivision sa lugar. Sinampahan na ng kasong attempted abduction ang suspect. Patuloy naman ang paghahanap ng mga pulis sa dalawa pang batang na...
Grew up wealthier than I did, with parents who had jobs that they didn't love. The mine that grew up wealthier than I did, with parents who had jobs.
Including my own family. Grandfather thought he would come to America and strike gold. Right. What actually happened? He didn't sell.
Of the friends of mine that grew up wealthier than I did, with parents who had jobs that they didn't love.
And those are the internal. The external ones now start with their influence. Influence.
Merong mapaligaya. Yung merong mapaligaya.
Gamutin ang piksa. Naliligo naman.
Pa ang show nyo. My name is Megan from Binakayan, Kawit, Cavite.
Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world.
man after our
That this may become an extension of heaven.
Nakikinig. Ako pala hindi nakikinig. Oh, kayo ha, manood kayo ha. Hindi natin, okay? Biyernes ng gabi.
Siyempre, lalagay din po natin ang unit